Hello mga ka-Invictus! This is your Grand Mentor, Coach Ray Ferrer, founder of the Tatak Invictus Program for Success and co-founder of Team Invictus International. If you are watching this video, it only means isa ka sa mga taong gustong mabago ang sitwasyon ng buhay mo at sitwasyon ng buhay ng pamilya mo. Baka, isa ka sa mga pagod na sa paulit-ulit na cycle ng trabaho, sahod, bayad, utang. O baka isa ka sa gustong maiba ang takbo ng buhay dahil wala pa ring nangyayari kahit matagal ka na sa ginagawa mo sa kasalukuyan. Or baka nandito ka dahil may mga pangarap pa pang hindi natutupad. Tulad ng pagpapagawa ng bahay, pagkakaroon ng sariling sasakyan, pagkakaroon ng sapat na ipon, pagpapatapos o pagpapagraduate ng mga anak, makapag-travel sa ibang lugar, at pinakamahalaga ay magkaroon ng peace of mind dahil sapat ang binibigay natin para mapasaya ang ating pamilya. Did you know that according to studies, the average monthly income of a Filipino employee is only 15,200 pesos? From that income, ibabawas mo pa ang mga monthly bills and expenses mo like electricity bill, water bill, groceries and other necessities, pamasahe, load, other expenses like baon ng anak mo, projects, medical needs, at mga biglaang gastos. Before you know it, magkano na lang pala ang natitira sa sahod mo? Or madalas, wala na pala ang natitira. Mahirap nang mag-budget dahil wala ka nang binabudget. Kaya lang, kapag iisipin mo ang pangarap mo, kumpara sa kinikita mo, talagang malayong matupad mo ang mga pangarap mo. The numbers do not lie. Kahit 300 years ka pang magtrabaho, ay hindi po kakayanin tustusan ng natitira sa sahod mo ang halaga ng pangarap mo. Because the truth is, big dreams always require big income. And to increase your big income, kailangan talaga magdagdag ka ng additional cash flow. Now let's consider the 4 sources of income or the cash flow quadrant according to Robert Kiyosaki. The first quadrant is a source of income ng 90% ng maraming tao, the employment quadrant. According to Kiyosaki, only 3% chances of employed people will become successful because, tulad nga ng sinabi natin kanina, the salary o yung sahod will never suffice or laging magkukulang. The second quadrant states that self-employed individuals also has a chance to earn big dahil nga sa mga specializations that they acquired and are licensed to do. Tulad ng doktor, engineer, architect. However, yung downside po nito is that these professions cannot be duplicated since they require licenses in order to perform their job. The third way to increase cash flow is when one becomes an investor or one puts money on the business and allow them to grow. However, these types of investments require large sum of money, millions or even billions in order for you to be considered an investor. Ang tanong, meron ba tayong milyon o meron ba tayong bilyon? The fourth way to increase your cash flow is definitely becoming a business owner. Now, what type of business ang dapat nating gawin para makapag-create tayo ng mas maraming cash flow? We could choose from a traditional business or we can have a smart business. Yung traditional business always require a big capital. Kailangan pa ng mga permit, mga lisensya, yung monthly na rental ng pwesto, bayad sa mga kuryente, sahod ng tao, water bill, marketing, or even the endorsers, kailangan mong bayaran. Whereas in a smart business, you only need a very small capital. Hindi mo na kailangan ng permit and license dahil yung kumpanya na ang gumawa ng mga ito. You don't need a monthly rental, no need to pay for electricity, water, and even the salary of workers. Yung marketing, tayo na ang gagawa dahil tayo ang magiging model at endorser ng mga produkto and syempre, living testimony na nabago ang sitwasyon ng buhay natin dahil sa programa na to. Alam naman natin na ang sagot sa asenso at progreso ay pagninegosyo. Kapatid, anong negosyo ang dapat mong gawin? For me, and other business experts will say na ang best type ng negosyo
ay yung may income-generating leveraging system. A smart business. Welcome to the Invictus Premium Plus program. Katulad mo, bago ko umpisahan at salihan o maglabas ng kapital sa negosyong ito, meron muna akong 5 bagay na kinonsider. Una, is it legal? Our program is affiliated with Royal Business Club International Incorporated, who has been in the industry for more than 20 years now. Our company started in the year 2006 with the philosophy of helping people is our way of life. We are duly licensed and registered by the Securities and Exchange Commission, merong license to operate from the Bureau of Food and Drug Administration, and of course, may registration from the Department of Trade and Industry. Masasabi kong Royal is a big-time company because we are a member of PhilExport, Philippine Marketing Association, and of course, the Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Kabilang dito ang San Miguel Corporation, Ayala, and even SM Malls. Trusted and nagbibigay ng pangkabuhayan sa maraming Pilipino. Legal na legal, kapatid. Pangalawa na dapat mong i-consider, yung sasalihan mo ba ay credible. In 2016, Royal celebrated its 10th year anniversary in one of the biggest indoor arena of the world, which is the Philippine Arena, with more than 65,000 delegates coming from all over the globe just to celebrate Royal's anniversary. Ganyan karami ang nagtitiwala at nagtutulungan para sa aming kumpanya. Royal is owned and managed by the business tycoon and financial analyst, our CEO, Chairman Ricardo S. Castañeda, who owns several business establishments even before putting up Royal. A seasoned, experienced, and a successful entrepreneur for that matter. He works hand in hand with our Executive Vice President, Mr. Eric Castañeda, in providing excellent programs, products, and incentives na talagang malaking tulong sa aming mga Royalista. Our Vice President symbolizes our longevity and of course the continuity of our business bilang siya po ay anak ng may-ari. Pangatlo, make sure na ang sasalihan mong kumpanya ay stable. Alam mo ba that Royal is the only company in the Philippines and in Asia that has its own building? Our company headquarters is situated at the heart of Quezon City in Quezon Avenue with a 5-story building with hotel amenities and features. Estimated to be worth 300 million pesos lang naman, kapatid. Kaya sobra kong nagustuhan ang Royal dahil meron tayong sariling building na nakatayo sa ating sariling lupa. Kung ikaw ang tatanungin, saan ka maglalagay ng kapital mo? Sa negosyong nangungupahan lang o sa may sariling bahay? Siyempre, doon tayo sa siguradong long-term at stable. Doon sa may sariling bahay. Pang-apat, does it have excellent and quality products? The heart of any business is its products, kaya ito tumatagal. We offer a wide range of products from supplements to beauty products to personal care items. All our products are specially made in Korea and exclusively distributed in the Philippines via Royal Business Club. Kaya makakasiguro ka sa ganda, sa kalidad at effectiveness ng mga produkto. Pinakamahalaga sa negosyo ay yung patok na patok ang ino-offer mo at kailangan talaga ng mga tao. Nowadays, supplement is very important for us to live a longer and quality life. Most of us don't know the relevance of taking supplements until we get sick. Did you know na meron kaming 2 flagship products dito sa aming company? First, our pure organic barley na gawa sa Korea and whose raw materials come from New Zealand. This powerful grain called the barley ay marami nang napagaling na may problema sa kidney, immune system, and even cancer. Our second is our Royal Recharge na talagang making waves in terms of what? Effectivity sa mga kliyenteng may UTI, sa clients na may leukemia, clients na mababa ang red blood cell, o clients na may anemia and even dengue fever. Surely, Royal delivers safe, effective, and quality products. World-class, kapatid. For years, we have proven that Korean technology is number 1 and best in making beauty products and quality supplements. Last, and most important thing na dapat mong i-consider is yung maximum income potential. Kung malaki ba ang kikitain mo. Alam mo ba na Royal has created thousands of millionaires for the past 20 years already? Napakarami na pong natulungan at nabago ang buhay. Let's proceed to the most exciting part of this program presentation, kung paano ka makakasali at paano ka kikita. Una, fill up an application form or a distributor form. Pangalawa, pwede ka nang pumili ng package na napipisil mo. But let me remind you, when selecting a package, na the lower the package na pipiliin mo, the lesser the benefits. The higher the package, the higher naman yung benefits. You can choose with the 3 elite packages na meron kami. Una, the gold package. Pangalawa, yung titanium package. Pangatlo is the platinum package. Now, what's the difference of the packages? Unang-una, sa points pa lang, mas maliit sa gold at pinakamalaki sa platinum. First is the gold package amounting to 50,000 pesos with product worth of 52,000 to 54,000 pesos. Second is the titanium package amounting to 123,000 pesos with product worth of 125,000 to 126,000 pesos. And the last is the platinum package amounting to 220,500 pesos with product worth of 222,000 to 223,000 worth of products. What's more exciting sa ating mga packages is that hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, but 17 ways of earning and incentives ang matatanggap mo. Exciting, di ba? First way to earn ay sa mga mahilig magbenta o mag-retail. Example, ang aming pure organic barley ay nagkakahalagang 1,680 pesos. If you're a distributor, 924 pesos na lang. You can earn as much as 756 pesos sa bawat isang box ng aming pure organic barley. Which means, sa 10 mabibenta mo, you get to earn an extra 7,560 pesos. Pwede na, di ba? Pangalawa, through package commissions. Remember, ang commission mo nakabase sa package na inavail mo. For example, sa ating gold package, pag ikaw po ay magbebenta ng another gold package, you get a package commission of 4,000 pesos. Pag gold holder ka at nagbenta ka ng titanium package, you get to earn 6,000 pesos. At pag platinum naman ang binenta mo, meron kang extra 11,000 pesos. What if titanium package naman ang iyong inavail and you sold a gold package? Meron ka pa ring earning na 4,000 pesos. Sa titanium, 10,000 pesos. And sa platinum, 16,500 pesos. Paano naman pag platinum ang iyong package? Again, sa gold, you get extra 4,000. Sa titanium, you get extra 10,000. At sa platinum ay tumataginting na 22,000 na package commission. Number 3, in our business program, you have to create your sales organization. One sales group on the left and one sales group on the right. Remember that with every package na binibenta mo, you earn points. And bawat points is converted to a bonus. Example, pag may pinasok kang gold sa left at may pinasok kang gold sa right,
You get to earn 3,000 pesos.
pag may pinasok ka naman na titanium sa left and titanium sa right, you get to earn 8,000 pesos. Pag may pumasok naman na platinum sa left at platinum sa right, meron kang extra 10,000 pesos. What's more beautiful about this program is that meron tayong tinatawag na automatic spillover kasi one account policy lang tayo. So the system has no choice but to put people under your organization. And can you imagine yung unlimited na pwede mong kitain from the sales match bonus sa bawat active na papasok under your group? Number 4, retail sales commission. Can you imagine na lahat ng bibili ng produkto under your organization, may kikitain ka pa. For every 1 point value, meron kang kikitain 10 pesos. Example, pag meron kang 68 points sa left at 68 point value sa right, meron ka pang 680 pesos. Pag meron ka namang 88 points sa left and 88 points sa right, meron ka ulit extra 880 pesos accumulated from all your sales under your organization. Number 5, yung uni-level income o yung sukli na natatanggap mo sa bawat bili mo ng produkto. Example, I get to buy products as a gold member, meron pa akong 5% na rebate sa binili kong produkto. Good news, up to the 7th level, meron pa akong matatanggap na tigpa 5% under my organization. That's a total of 35% na rebates. Pag ako naman ay titanium holder, up to the 8th level. So I get 40% of the rebates. Pag ako naman ay platinum holder, I get to have up to 9th level of the rebates with 45% of my uni-level income. Kumikita ka na sa sukli na natatanggap mo every time you buy a product at kumikita ka rin sa sukli na binibili ng mga tao under your organization. Let's go to the limitless income or the indirect referral bonus. Alam mo ba na sa pangatlong tao na mabibitbit mo at sasali sa'yo at siya po ay kukuha pa ng 2 tao na sasali sa kanya, may matatanggap kang tinatawag na limitless income. Sa gold, meron kang 1.5 bawat isa. Sa titanium, meron kang 2.5 bawat isa. At sa platinum, meron kang 3.5 bawat isa. Dahil limitless ito, alam mo ba, mula dun sa pangatlong taong binitbit mo, hanggang sa mga susunod na bibitbitin niya, every 2 person na papasok sa kanila, may limitless income ka. Amazing, di ba? Isa sa mga paborito ko sa ating programa ay yung tinatawag nating overriding bonus. Alam mo ba na sa lahat ng mga papasok sa'yo na kumikita, may porsyento ka pa sa kinikita nila. Kung ikaw ay gold holder, you get an extra 8% from their sales match commission. Pag ikaw naman ay titanium or platinum holder, you get an extra 10% from their sales match commission nang hindi na babawasan ang income nila. Grabe, di ba? Leveraging talaga. Number 8, the windfall profit or the windfall bonus. Kaya siya tinawag na windfall ay dahil hindi mo na inaasahan, nagkapera ka pa. Pag ikaw ay gold account holder at may napasali kang 4 account gold holders din, magkaka-windfall ka na extra 40,000 pesos. Pag ikaw naman ay titanium holder at nakahanap ka ng 4 na titanium holder na sasali din sa'yo, may extra kang 100,000 pesos. Pag platinum ka naman at may naipasok ka naman na 4 na platinum account holder, may extra kang 200,000 pesos. What's good news is that this has no time frame. Pwede kang magpasali ng 4 na tao ngayong buwan o pwedeng disperse sa iba't ibang buwan para magkaroon ka ng extra windfall. Meron kang extra 40,000, 100,000, or 200,000 na windfall bonus. Number 9, the sponsors bonus. Every time na ang member mo ay nagwi-windfall, magkakaroon ka pa ng extra bonus. Pag siya ay nagkaroon ng 40,000 windfall, meron kang extra 2,000. Pag siya naman ay nag-windfall ng 100,000, meron kang extra 5,000 pesos. At pag siya naman ay nag-windfall ng 200,000 pesos, may extra ka rin na 10,000 pesos. That's a sponsor's bonus. Meron din tayong free accident insurance coverage from the number 1 insurance provider, BPIMS Insurance, for all our account holders. Gold, titanium, and platinum, 100,000 free, upgradable to 1 million to 2 million at an extra cost. Number 11, product sales profit sharing. Every quarter, si Royal ay kukuha ng portion of the total retail sales at ipaparaffle nila sa mga loyal members na talagang bumibili at gumagamit ng products. So kung ikaw ay madalas bumili ng product, you get a chance to win this raffle of the profit sharing. Royal has recently launched its real estate company called the Zam Realty Incorporated. This is found in San Antonio, Zambales, near the Pundakit Beach, which is a piece of paradise. If you sell a Mountain View property, meron kang matatanggap na extra 35,000 commission And additional 45,000 bonus pa. If you sell the Sea Breeze or the beachfront property, meron kang matatanggap na 90,000 commission plus 5% pa na bonus. Royale is the only multi-level marketing company who invested in properties and lots because Royale saw that this is a lifetime and real investment. Additionally, pag ikaw ay mayroong member na nakakabenta din ng Mountain View or Sea Breeze property, magkaka-bonus ka pa. For every Mountain View, meron kang additional na 5,000 pesos at for every Sea Breeze property, meron kang additional na 10,000 pesos. What's more exciting is that ZAM Realty conducts an annual raffle at magpapamigay na 100 square meters na Mountain View property sa San Antonio, Zambales. For every 2 gold packages, you get 1 raffle ticket. For every titanium package, you get 1 raffle ticket. For every 1 platinum package, you get 2 raffle tickets. And this will be drawn every December of the year. Handa ka na bang magkaroon ng sarili mong lupa? Isa sa mga na-appreciate ko sa programang ito ay ginagalingan mo na nga may additional incentives ka pa. Pwede kang mag-travel, pwede kang mag-luxury shopping, at pwede ka rin magkaroon ng kotse for free. Ginagalingan mo na nga, kumikita ka pa, may additional incentives ka pa. Panalo, di ba? If you are still watching this video, it means interesado ka talagang mabago ang sitwasyon ng buhay mo. I am a firm believer na walang aksidente sa mundo. And you, watching this video, is not an accident. Today, you are given a chance to make a choice to change your life. Our decisions for today affect our future. Kung wala kang babaguhing bagong desisyon, wala talagang mangyayaring bago sa buhay mo. We have been trading our time to make money. Kaya nga lagi kang nasa trabaho. The income from work should create more assets. And then the assets that will make money should give you the financial freedom. Sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, do not put all your eggs in one basket. Never depend on a single source of income. Sabi nga natin, kailangan lagi tayong may plan B. If the plan A will not work, lagi dapat tayo may reserbang ways of income. The main reason why people struggle financially is because they have spent years in school but learned nothing about money. The result is that people learn to work for money but never learn to have money work for them. This is your call to action. Join our program. Join the Invictus community. Fulfill your dreams, gain time freedom, and achieve financial breakthrough. After watching this video, make sure na balikan mo ang taong nag-invite sa'yo o nagpapanood sa'yo ng video na ito for more details and clarifications. This is once again your Grand Mentor, Coach Ray Ferrer. Kasama mo, kasangga mo, hanggang sa pag-abot ng mga pangarap mo. And may infinite blessings be upon all of you this year and more years to come. Thank you, and God bless you all.